Welcome to Turbo Vision Talk. Get ready for an exciting ride as we break down features, performance, and everything you need to know about the newest cars. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Welcome to the world of tomorrow, where voice assistants have become our co pilots, turning every drive into a hands free connected experience. The rise of AI driven voice technology is changing the way we interact with our vehicles, transforming not just convenience but safety, entertainment, and overall driving experience. To understand the full impact, let's take a closer look at how voice assistants are redefining life on the road. Introduction to AI in cars. Voice assistants have been around for years, but their integration into vehicles is a game changer. It's not just about asking for directions anymore. Today, voice technology connects you to your car's systems, the internet, and even your home. Whether you're asking for navigation, sending a text, or controlling your music, AI is seamlessly bringing smart functionality to every ride. The evolution of voice assistants in cars. Years ago, simple voice commands were used for basic tasks like switching the radio or adjusting the temperature. Now, car manufacturers and tech companies have collaborated to bring a more sophisticated AI experience into our vehicles. Companies like Google, Amazon, Apple, and car manufacturers themselves have built in-house systems or integrated popular assistants like Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant directly into the car's dashboard. At the core of this evolution is the ability for voice assistants to understand natural language. Unlike older systems that required specific commands, modern voice assistants are conversational, making them easier and safer to use while driving. Safety first. How voice assistants reduced distracted driving. One of the key benefits of AI in cars is the improvement in driving safety. Distracted driving is a leading cause of accidents, and voice assistants are a natural solution to combat this issue. With a simple voice command, drivers can keep their hands on the wheel and their eyes on the road. Whether you need to change the temperature, adjust navigation, or make a phone call, it's all done without having to look away. Emergency situations also see benefits from voice integration. If an airbag is deployed, some systems can automatically call emergency services. Drivers can even ask their voice assistant to call for help if they witness an accident or need assistance on the road. The ability to perform these tasks through voice minimizes distractions, making roads safer for everyone. Navigation and traffic updates, making the journey smoother. Remember the days of unfolding paper maps? Those times are long gone, thanks to real-time GPS and navigation systems. With voice assistants, the navigation experience is even more seamless. You can request directions, reroute to avoid traffic, or search for nearby gas station, restaurants, or other points of interest all through a simple voice command. Not only do voice assistants help with directions, but they can also provide real-time traffic updates. With this information, your AI assistant can suggest alternative routes, helping you avoid congested areas and get to your destination faster. It's about optimizing every trip for both time and convenience. Entertainment and personalization, tailoring your driving experience. Voice assistants are also revolutionizing in-car entertainment. You can access your favorite playlists, podcasts, or radio stations with just a request. Want to know what's trending in music or catch up on a podcast episode during your commute? Just ask. Some systems go even further, offering personalization options. The more you use your voice assistant, the more it learns about your preferences. It can suggest music based on your taste, recommend routes you frequently travel, or even provide information about upcoming appointments synced from your calendar. The driving experience becomes uniquely tailored to your needs and habits. Hands-free communications. Staying connected while driving has never been easier or safer. Voice assistants allow you to send texts, make calls, or even read emails without lifting a finger. You can stay in touch with family, friends, and colleagues through voice commands, eliminating the need to fumble with your phone. Texting while driving is one of the most dangerous forms of distracted driving, but voice assistants allow you to communicate without ever taking your hands off the wheel or your eyes off the road. With AI technology, you can dictate messages, respond to notifications, and keep your focus on the drive. Smart home integration, bringing your connected world to the road. One of the coolest aspects of voice assistants in cars is their integration with smart home devices. Imagine you are on your way home from work and you want to turn on the lights, adjust the thermostat, or check your security cameras. All you need to do is ask your car's voice assistant to handle it for you. For those using systems like Alexa or Google Assistant at home, this integration creates a seamless experience between the car and your connected world. It's part of the larger vision of smart living, where your car becomes an extension of your smart home, giving you control over your household environment even when you are on the go. Future innovations. What's next for AI on the road? As we look ahead, the future of AI in cars is filled with exciting possibilities. Imagine fully autonomous driving where voice assistants not only handle all communication and navigation, but actually take over the entire driving experience. You might just sit back and ask your assistant to drive you to your destination while you relax or get your work done in the passenger seat. Car manufacturers are also working on advanced driving assistance systems that rely on AI and voice technology. These systems can assist with tasks like parking, lane changes, and collision avoidance, all while responding to your voice commands. In the future, voice assistants may also integrate with augmented reality. Displays, providing even more detailed information right on your windshield. Whether it's real-time data about your surroundings or notifications projected onto the windshield, the driving experience will become more immersive, intuitive, and interactive. Challenges and concerns. Addressing privacy and data security. Of course, with all the benefits of voice assistants, there are also challenges that come with this technology. Privacy and data security are major concerns for users. Your voice assistant is constantly listening to your commands, and in doing so, it's collecting a significant amount of data about your habits, location, and preferences. There are ongoing discussions about how this data is stored, who has access to it, and how companies are ensuring that it stays secure. Consumers want to enjoy the convenience of voice assistants without worrying about their personal information being compromised. It's a balancing act that tech companies and automakers are continually working to perfect. Additionally, there's the issue of dependency. As we become more reliant on voice assistants, some fear that we might lose certain skills or become overly dependent on technology for tasks we used to handle ourselves. It's important to strike a balance between using these tools for convenience and not losing our ability to think critically or solve problems independently. Conclusion: the new normal for driving. Voice assistants have already made a significant impact on how we interact with our cars. And as the technology continues to evolve, we expect even greater changes in the years to come. From enhancing safety to improving entertainment, navigation, and communication. AI is turning our vehicles into smart, responsive systems that cater to our every need. In a world that's becoming increasingly connected, voice assistants are bridging the gap between driver and machine, creating a future where driving is safer, more convenient, and tailored to the individual. So, the next time you're on the road, remember that your voice assistant is more than just a cool feature. It's an essential part of the future of driving.